Yeah, the stock we're tracking is NBCC, which was at a 52-week high, Pragya.
And at a record high as well. And you know, others always like to talk about NCC, but you know, there's another NCC, NBCC, that's seen quite a bit of a rally. You know, the stock from the start of 2014 is rallied almost about 580 odd percent. From the start of 2015, the stock is up 26% and has given huge returns compared to its listing price. Now, what we understand from just speculative reports at this point of time is that the company may hold a press conference in association with the Delhi Development Authority or DDA. This press conference will cover the highlights of the very recently announced MOU between both the parties for the East Delhi Hub project. Now, remember, this MOU between NBCC and DDA was signed on Friday last week, is when we got all of the details. This is DDA's pilot project in Delhi, which is based on the transit-oriented development model and will incorporate a lot of the smart city features as well. So from that perspective, it's quite important. Now, it's a mega project for DDA, will be developed over 30 hectares of land. So from that perspective, it assumes a lot of importance for NBCC. The project cost of this is seen at roughly about 5,000 odd crores. Project will get completed by 2020. And while the DDA will provide the land and bear the entire cost of the project, NBCC, as its business model is, will recover 10% of the cost of the project as its project management cost. Will also get about 1% in terms of its marketing fees or disposal charges, etc. So from that perspective, it's a huge win for them, especially in the Delhi area, apart from the Kidwai Nagar project, which they are already undertaking. The news is entirely known, so maybe it's on account of the press conference that they're holding that the stock has rallied so much today, sitting at a record high. But one more project that they have now garnered. They had spoken about 30 to 40,000 crores of order pipeline that they had. So it's a step forward in that overall perspective.
All right. Thanks for that, Pragya.